Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today's video, magluluto na naman po ako ngayon ng chicken. Ito po yung mga ingredients. Grated ginger, garlic, paminta, salt, 5 tablespoon of honey, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoon of olive oil, at saka yung Worcestershire sauce, at saka lemon juice, at saka yung ating chicken thigh. At maglagay din pala ako guys ng sesame oil, 1 tablespoon. Ayan na siya guys, pinagsama-sama ko na lahat yung ingredients, and then lagay natin mamaya yung chicken. I-mix lang natin siya guys until well combined. Ayan, lagay ko na yung chicken, mix ko lang siya guys. Yan na guys, ready for bake for 35 minutes. Tara guys. Yan na guys, ilagay ko na sa oven for 35 minutes. Yan na guys yung chicken. I-prepare mo na siya guys. With parsley. At saka balsamic vinegar. Yan guys, yung lunch for today, chicken with garlic and ginger and asparagus. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.